Stop paying hundreds of dollars every single month for expensive cable TV subscriptions and streaming packages. Today I am going to show you a completely legal, incredibly fast and 100% safe method to jailbreak any Amazon Fire TV stick in less than 3 minutes. If you're tired of hidden fees and limited content, this is the ultimate step-by-step guide you have been waiting for to unlock the true power of your device. The very first thing we need to do is download a specific tool that will allow us to safely install third-party applications. From your Firestick home screen, simply navigate over to the Find section and select the search bar. Type in the word downloader and you will immediately see an official orange icon appear in the results. Click on that icon and hit the download or get button. Do not worry about safety because this application is completely official and hosted directly on the Amazon App Store itself. Once it finishes downloading, do not open it just yet because we need to change a critical system setting first. Press the home button on your Fire Stick remote and navigate all the way to the right side of your screen to select the settings gear icon. Scroll down through the settings menu and click on the option that says My Fire TV. From here, click on the About section. This is where the magic happens. You will see the exact name of your Fire TV stick highlighted. Take your remote and click on that device name exactly 7 times without stopping. As you click, you will see a small message pop up at the bottom of your screen counting down, and finally it will say that you are now a developer. Now, hit the back button on your remote just once. You will notice a brand new option has magically appeared right below the About section called Developer Options. Click on Developer Options, then move down to the setting that says Install Unknown Apps. Inside this menu, you will see the downloader application we just installed. Click on it to turn the toggle from off to on. By doing this, you are officially giving your Fire Stick permission to install powerful open source media applications. With the developer options unlocked, press the home button again and open the downloader app. Click Allow on any permissions that pop up. Now click directly into the empty URL search bar and type in the official website address, which is linked to Kodi.tv, and then hit the Go button on your screen. The app will securely load the official website. Scroll down the page, select the Android icon, and then make sure to choose the ARMv7 32-bit version. The downloader app will instantly start fetching the file, and once it is done, a prompt will appear on your screen. Simply click Install, wait a few seconds, and then click Open. Congratulations, you have successfully jailbroken your Fire Stick and installed Kodi without risking your device or violating any rules. If this quick and easy tutorial helped you save money today, please make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more exclusive Fire Stick tips and secrets. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the very next video.